Donald John Trump was born into a world of privilege on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer. Young Donald attended the New York Military Academy. He was known for his energy and ambition even then. After graduating, Trump enrolled at Fordham University before transferring to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. He graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. Trump quickly joined his father's company, the Trump Organization. He focused on grand projects in Manhattan. One of his first major successes was the renovation of the Commodore Hotel into the Grand Hyatt. This project established him as a major player in the New York real estate scene. Trump Tower, completed in 1983, became a symbol of his success and style. Throughout the 1980s, Trump's empire expanded. He acquired hotels, casinos, and even an airline. He became a household name, known for his lavish lifestyle and outspoken personality. His book, The Art of the Deal, became a bestseller, cementing his image as a shrewd businessman. However, the decade also saw some of his businesses struggle, leading to high-profile bankruptcies. Trump's early forays into the world of business were marked by both soaring successes and crushing failures. He quickly gained a reputation for his aggressive deal-making and his unwavering belief in his own abilities. Trump's name became synonymous with luxury and extravagance. He plastered it on hotels, casinos, and even a short-lived airline. The 1990s tested Trump's resilience. He faced significant financial setbacks, including several high-profile bankruptcies. However, he always managed to bounce back, often attributing his survival to his willingness to take risks and his ability to negotiate favorable terms with creditors. Undeterred by these challenges, Trump continued to expand his business empire. He invested in golf courses, beauty pageants, and even a professional football team. He also became a fixture in the New York City social scene, known for his lavish parties and his string of high-profile relationships. Trump's larger-than-life persona and his penchant for self-promotion made him a natural fit for the world of reality television. In 2004, he launched The Apprentice, a show that pitted aspiring entrepreneurs against each other for a chance to work for the Trump Organization. The show was an instant hit, propelling Trump to a new level of fame and introducing him to a wider audience. Trump's interest in politics predated his reality television fame. He had flirted with the idea of running for president as early as the 1980s. However, it was his foray into the world of right-wing media that laid the groundwork for his eventual presidential bid. Trump became a vocal critic of President Barack Obama, questioning his birthplace and legitimacy. He also embraced a populist message railing against illegal immigration, trade deals, and the political establishment. In 2015, Trump announced his candidacy for President of the United States. His campaign was unconventional from the start. He eschewed traditional political correctness, often making inflammatory remarks about women, minorities, and his opponents. His rallies were marked by fervent energy, with supporters drawn to his promise to make America great again. Despite widespread skepticism from the political establishment, Trump secured the Republican nomination. He tapped into a deep well of anger and frustration among white working-class voters who felt left behind by globalization and social change. His campaign capitalized on fears about terrorism and economic insecurity, promising to restore America to its former glory. Trump's victory over Hillary Clinton in the 2016 presidential election shocked many. His presidency was marked by a constant stream of controversies, from his travel ban on citizens from several Muslim-majority countries to his administration's policy of separating migrant children from their parents at the US-Mexico border. He withdrew the United States from the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement and the Paris Agreement on climate change. Despite the turmoil, Trump remained popular with his base of supporters. They applauded his tax cuts, his appointment of conservative judges, and his confrontational approach to foreign policy. He frequently clashed with the media, often accusing them of spreading fake news. Trump's presidency was also marked by the ongoing investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 election and possible collusion with his campaign. The Mueller report, though finding insufficient evidence to establish a criminal conspiracy, did not exonerate Trump on obstruction of justice. As his first term drew to a close, Trump faced a new challenge: the COVID-19 pandemic. His handling of the crisis, from his initial downplaying of the threat to his promotion of unproven treatments, drew widespread criticism. The return of the Donald Trump's post-presidency and the 2024 election. Trump 2.0, the second term and beyond. The TikTok tango Trump's dance with social media and technology. The business of being Trump Ventures, investments, and the Trump brand. Personal life and legal battles. The man behind the curtain.